Hi everyone. Today I'll be teaching you or making a tutorial on how to upload your bank information for your Get My Payment. So this is applicable for people who have filed their taxes in 2018 or 2019 and they were owing IRS money, so they did not furnish their bank account details with the IRS. So let me get to that real quick. You go to Google and then you can Google Get My Payment to get to the website to see if you're eligible or not. So this is how it looks like. And then you click on Get My Payment. The IRS website loads up. Click on Get My Payment. And then there is a small disclaimer here. You click on OK on the disclaimer and then you enter your social security number and your date of birth and then your street address and then you put your zip code in. So all this information that I'm showing here is bogus, so I might be seeing something like this, right? Please try again later. But if you enter your legit information, which I've tried in a separate instance, you will be seeing a message like this. I did it on my mobile phone, so this is what it looks like. Payment status not available, not available. This might mean a lot of things, but and then you can go to the frequently asked questions page and then look at the FAQs and um, even people like me who have filed in 2018 or 2019 and owed money to IRS are seeing this error right here. So what happens is it might be possible that IRS has not put your information into this web portal yet. So you have to wait. So what I did after I saw this is I thought I might not be eligible for the payment or things like that, or I have to wait for the check to come in. There is no way to enter my bank information irrespective of what all the forums and the news articles are saying. But there is a possibility that the IRS has not updated your information into the portal yet. So that is what happened to me. I saw this message come up. I was checking it once every day. I have done it from 15th till 25th. Today is 25th. So it's been 10 days. I've been looking at this message every day. But what happened last night is I saw different information. You're eligible for this payment. We do not have enough information to direct deposit. So this is where it shows that they don't have my DD info, which is direct deposit info. And you click on enter bank information. These are the information that they ask. Adjusted gross income. This is the latest, tax return that you filed. The AGI will be in the box in one of the boxes on the front page. So you enter that information here, and then the second question is, did you receive a refund or did you owe money? In my case, I owed money, and how much of money did I owe is also present on the in one of the boxes in your tax return. You enter that information in that box, and then did you receive a refund or did you owe money? I owed money. Redundant question. Refund amount or amount you owed. Okay, it's the same question. So this is the amount that you need to post here. And then direct deposit information. This is where cha-ching comes in, right? So click on savings or checking, whatever your account is. Take a copy of your check, find out what the routing number is, and you have to type it twice, routing number and confirm routing number, right? And then bank account number, confirm bank account number. You need to type this twice too. You can get it on your check or in your account information, or you can call your bank and then ask them what it is. You can also find out the routing number from your bank as well. So once you do that, you submit, you get a screen like this saying you have successfully submitted your bank account information. When the direct deposit comes, nobody knows. But um, at least I have gotten to this part. My problem was I thought the check might come in and it will go to my previous address where I don't live anymore. I was in mortal fear. But looks like this takes care of most of the problem there. So hope this will help you, and thanks for watching.